Question number 96 says, if the number of chromosomes in the secondary nucleus of Zea mays is 20, secondary nucleus is diploid, तो उसमें chromosome number given is 20. Okay, diploid number is 20, so haploid number will be 10. Okay, so what will be the number of chromosomes in PEC? PEC stands for primary endosperm cell. It is triploid. So triploid mein number of chromosomes will be 30. Polar nuclei. Polar nuclei is haploid and two polar nuclei fuses to form secondary nucleus. Okay, polar nuclei haploid hai. So the number of chromosomes will be 10. Coleorhiza. Coleorhiza is diploid, so number of chromosomes will be 20, and aileron layer is triploid, so the number of chromosomes will be 30. So we have to identify an option which has 30, 10, 20 and 30. So by this, after analyzing all the options, we come to know that option number 4 is correct. Okay, so moving on to the next question, that is question number 97. How many of the given characters are associated with brown algae? इनमें से कौन से features और कौन से characters brown algae, that means the members of Phaeophyceae से belong करते हैं? Laminarin. Laminarin is the reserve food material in the brown algae. This is true. Sulfated phycocolloids. Sulfated phycocolloids is present in red algae. Okay, this is not present in brown algae. Apical flagella. Apical flagella, equal and apical flagella are present in green algae. Brown algae में flagella is unequal and laterally attached. Fucoxanthin, this is true. It is present in brown algae. Heterocon flagellation, true. Chlorophyll C is present in brown algae. Carotenoids are present. Pear-shaped zoospores are present in brown algae. Oogonium is present in brown algae. Pyriform gametes are present in brown algae. Most complex post-fertilization development. This is the feature which is absent in brown algae and present in red algae. So, we have to identify the number of features which are associated with brown algae. Laminarin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of these, 8 features or 8 characters are associated with brown algae. So by this, answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 98. Question number 98 says, choose the incorrect option with respect to bryophytes. So यहाँ पर you have to identify an incorrect option for bryophytes. Haploid phase in the life cycle is more differentiated than that of algae. Bryophytes में haploid phase is gametophyte, algae में haploid phase is gametophyte. So that means gametophytic stage or gametophytic phase in the life cycle of bryophytes is more differentiated than that of algae. This is true. Zygote divides by meiosis immediately. No. In bryophytes, zygote do not divide by reductional division immediately, but it undergoes repeated mitotic divisions to form embryo, and this embryo in turn forms diploid sporophyte. So this is incorrect. Third is the sporophyte of bryophytes is not free living and independent. This is true. The spores germinate to produce gametophyte either directly or by a protonema stage. This is also true. So out of these, Option number 2 is the incorrect option for bryophytes. Okay, so moving on to the next question, that is question number 99. Which of the following character is represented by the given floral diagram of an angiospermic family? This floral diagram is of the family Brassicaceae. Okay, इनमें से कौन सा feature is shown by this floral diagram? See, first is trilocular ovary. No, we can clearly see that this diagram depicts bilocular ovary. Trilocular ovary कैसी होती है? वो कुछ इस तरह से होती है, इस तरह से होती है trilocular ovary. Okay, so this is incorrect. Syngenesious stamens, no. By looking at the floral diagram, we can see that tetradynamous stamens are present, which means there are 6 stamens, in 4 inner stamens and 2 outer stamens. Okay, this is the tetradynamous condition. 4 inner are shorter ones and 2 external ones, or 2 stamens on the outer side, are the longer one. Okay, parietal presentation, this is correct. Parietal presentation is depicted in this floral diagram. Twisted aestivation of calyx and corolla, no. Calyx की aestivation is, this is the aestivation of calyx, and calyx की aestivation is imbricate, and corolla की aestivation is valvate. So this is incorrect. Okay, so by this, answer to this question is option number 3. Okay, so moving on to the next question.